Assalamualaikum and hi to my dear lecturers and friends. So we are from Group 1 are going to present about geology of Sabah region in Semporna. So here is our members and I am Siti Nurhazila binti Abdul Rasid. Without further ado, I welcome Nur Azalina to present our introduction.
Hello, I'm Azalina and I will be talking about the introduction part. As you can see here, this is the map of geological peninsula of Semporna, which is Semporna is located in the southeastern part of Sabah, and it consists of three morphotectonic units, which is the first one is crust of the Mesozoic continent, and the second one the arc of the Middle Miocene Islands, and the third one is the Paleo-Pleistocene Islands. The volcanic rock of the andesite-dacite basalt type can be found in the area, which form the main morphological feature of the Semporna Peninsula. As for the tectonic setting and subduction accretion model, in Sabah, bedrock is composed of fractional accretion of ophiolite sequence block and paleogenic sedimentary rock. This block of ophiolite sequence is interpreted as part of the ancient oceanic crust known as the Proto-South China Sea. And this ophiolite and melange complex are then irregularly overlaid by the circular basin sediment aged late Miocene to Pliocene. And as you can see here, at the peninsula Semporna, during the Miocene to Quaternary volcanic arc of formed. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Warda Ida Yuniti Masuki. I am going to present the stratigraphy unit in Semporna. So generally, the stratigraphy unit in Semporna shows thickness of marine sediment that is folded and faulted are alternatively with pyroclastic in the area of Peninsula Semporna. The facies in Semporna are alternatively sandstone and shale with mudstone, fossiliferous tuff, and agglomerates. At the edge of Pleistocene, there's a lot of dacitic volcanic rocks forming range of mountains near Tawau and Semporna. So therefore, in the area of Semporna, there's a lot of volcanic activities and tectonic activities. So the stratigraphy units, which is the sedimentary rocks, in the edge of Quaternary, there's alluvial deposits. The age of Pliocene, there's dacitic and andesitic volcanic breccia and tuff with subordinate epiclastics. At the late Miocene, there is Umas formation where interbedded sandstone and mudstone happens. In the middle Miocene, there is Kalumpang formation, which is tuff, volcanic breccia, tuffite, clastic, and limestone. In the early Miocene, there is Kalabakan Formation, which is interbedded sandstone and shale. While the igneous rocks and the tectonic activities in the Quaternary, there's olivine basalt lava. In the Pliocene, there is dacitic and andesitic volcanic breccia and lavas. At the late Miocene, there is dacite and andesite lavas and pyroclastics. In the middle Miocene to early Miocene, there is volcanics, which is andesite and tectonic activities associated with the Kalumpang Formation. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Melissa Nufarahi binti Ibri Rizal, and I will continue with rock unit in Semporna. There are three types of rock unit in Semporna, which are igneous rock, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rock. For igneous rock, there are two types of it, which are plutonic and volcanic igneous rock. Examples for plutonic igneous rock are diorite and hornblende, while examples for volcanic igneous rock are andesite, rhyolite, ductite, and basalt. Next is sedimentary rock. Examples for sedimentary rock are limestone, sandstone, shale, and mudstone. Followed by metamorphic rock. The example for metamorphic rock are gneiss and schist. To be clear, Semporna have a lot of igneous rock and sedimentary rock that make the formation of mountain and island in Semporna. But there is small distribution of metamorphic rock. Based on the map distribution, we can see the igneous rock from each Paleocene to Miocene, followed by Cretaceous to early Tertiary. Next is age for sedimentary rock, that from Paleocene to Quaternary, followed by Neogene and Jurassic to Cretaceous. Then age for the metamorphic rock is Trias, since the distribution is small. Based on the types of rock in Semporna, we can see that igneous rock is widely spread in Semporna, which are ductite, solidified, volcanic rock, and andesite. But for sedimentary rock, there are many limestone in East Semporna that make the formation of islands. There is also recent coastal and alluvial in Semporna. The example formation for each type of rock in Semporna. First, we have igneous rock formation. The example is Pulau Timbul Mata, Pulau Mabul, and Pulau Bukit Dulang. Next is formation from sedimentary rock. The example are Pulau Bumbung, Pulau Mataking, and Pulau Pompong. The example formation for metamorphic rock is Bukit Tengkorak in
Hello,
Semporna.
so it's me again. I am going to present about structural geology in Semporna. The Semporna fault is located in northern margin, as you can see the first line there, and Mangkalihat fault in the southern margin is both strike-slip sinistrals faults and trend northwest-southeast. These strike-slip faults were subparallel isoclinal arc structures. So we are going to the next slide. Here you can see the major faults and lineaments and the other structural geology in Semporna. So the Semporna volcanic belt is trend southwest, and a trench lies at the northwest base of the arc. So some of the formation in Semporna have been strongly folded and faulted because of tectonism, and the major fault structure there is trend west and southwest. I think that's all from me. And to the next presenter, Melissa. Thank you.
Next, I will talk about geology resources. To be clear, there is no mineral resources that are economical in Semporna. Since Semporna located in the island, the mineral rarely to be found. There is no coal like at the Meliau Basin or gold in Tawau Sabah. As we can see from the sedimentary basin, Sabah have three types of basin, which are Sabah Basin, Northeast Sabah Basin, and Southeast Sabah Basin. And Semporna is located in the Southeast Sabah Basin. Commonly, this basin will consist of oil and gas resources, since there is hydrocarbon layer that can be explored. But in Semporna, as we can see in the map, the Southeast Sabah Basin is slightly small distributed in Semporna. That's why there is no oil and gas exploration in Semporna. Since Semporna was undergoes tectonic and volcanic activity, there is hot spring that can be found. This hot spring allocation or can be said that was sharing with Tawau. Since this hot spring was between Tawau and Semporna, the age is late Tertiary and have quaternary dacite to basaltic lava and tuff. This hot spring is one of location for tourists, and there is research and testing to make these hot spring resources economical to be geothermal. As we can see, the hot spring can be found in Tawau Semporna at the mountain Magdalena, Tidal Hills, and Balong River. Usually, the visitor come to this place to bath as skin treatment, and it was famous among the local people. As conclusion, there is no mining or mineral resources that economical to Semporna. The main economic activity in Semporna is fishing, plantation, and tourism. That's it from us. Thank you.